9th Jan, the importance is nothing significant. That's when the second week starts. Second week means, what happens typically. Most of the hedge funds or the large bank traders or the bank money, where will the money flow? Whether it will start with a sell-off or it will start with a positive note, that gets decided mostly around second week of January. And this year, second week of January, starting on the week of 9th. There is a possibility that after 4th Jan, we will see some clarity. But let's see. What I was trying to say is that this year, we will see two-way movement. Last year was one-sided, like 73 to 83. There were not many corrections which happened on the way. But this year, we would expect more corrections to happen. Though the eventual direction is towards 86, I would expect some correction. It can either go to 84, 85, and then come back and then again go, or go towards 81, 81.5, and then move towards 85, 86. So this year is a time when you should be using options, and it's going to be more difficult to manage only using forwards.